The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where technology learns, adapts, and evolves, creating endless possibilities. From self-driving cars to AI transforming healthcare, the world is changing faster than ever. At the University of South Asia, we're not just teaching AI, we're shaping the future. Our AI-integrated computer science program empowers you to innovate across all high-demand industries. With specialized degrees in artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and software engineering, you'll be equipped to solve real-world problems and lead in the tech-driven world. USA is more than just a university. It's where your future takes shape. Join a community of innovators who are already leading the AI revolution. Our graduates don't just get jobs, they shape the careers of tomorrow. From working at top tech companies to launching their own startups, USA students are driving the change. Take the first step toward becoming a leader in AI technology. Apply today and shape the world you want to live in.